Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you Google Sites tips and tricks for beginners. So today, again, I will be teaching you tips and tricks that you need to know in creating a website in Google Sites. Continue watching this, for this will help you, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, first things first. When you are in your browser, what you want to do is press the search bar and search up Google Sites by simply typing in www.sites.google.com or just simply search it up using Google. Once you have found Google Sites from the results, just simply head to that website. And once you are here, it is clear that you are finally in the main menu of Google Sites. So in here, you can freely make your own website from scratch or also creating it with the use of an existing template that can be found on the template gallery available in Google Sites. However, most people are not aware of the template gallery, and they only usually select from the 5 templates that they can easily see. So a tip, if you press the template gallery bottom right here, it will show you a drop-down selection with so much templates, which I can assure you that you can further customize to your own preference and branding. And as you can see here, it is specified into specific themes. You can have templates that are meant for some of your personal stuffs, for your work, for running a small business, and even for students' educational purposes. So, let's say that you want to make a website for your restaurant. What we are going to do now is we will be selecting the restaurant template for us to further customize it based on our preferences and branding. So now, after we select your chosen restaurant template or simply the template of your choice, it will bring you to the Customization tab. So in here, what you can do is to customize the entirety of your website. You can see the different page of how your website is going to look like. And if you look at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see that you are in the Insert page. In the Insert page, from the name Insert, what you can do is insert content blocks, text boxes, images, and many more. You can even embed links and upload photos and videos, files directly from your own Google Drive. Anyways, in making your own website, what you want to do is press the cog icon on the top right of your screen. Pressing Settings will open up a small pop-up with numerous selections of what you can do. And a lot of people do not know about this. For instance, you have navigation. In here, you can choose whether you want the mode of navigation bar to be on top or on the side. You can even choose the color of your navigation bar. After that, you can now move on to brand images. In here, this is where you can upload your own customized logo or any logo that you have created. And as for your favicon, you can now do the same thing as well. It is pretty convenient, don't you think? So next up would be the viewer tools. In here is where you enable or disable the info icon or the anchor links of your website. And then there's custom domain. What you can do here is you can customize your custom domain. That means it is the name of a website. A URL is how to find a website, and a website is what people see and interact with when they get there. Now, what's up next is analytics. In here, you can analyze and keep track of the viewership or the number of people who interact with your website. But first, you must have a Google Analytics account and connect it to the website that you are creating or currently creating. And lastly, we have the announcement banner. If you don't know what that is, it is the website notification banner. It looks like a small bar that often appears on the top of your website, usually used to communicate updates, promote a new feature, or announce limited time offers. And that's it! You know now the simple tips and tricks for Google Sites. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!